In this video, you will learn how to use Tap to Pay with your phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. This is where all system options are located. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down until you find Connections or Connected Devices. The exact name may vary depending on your phone brand. Tap on that option to open it. Inside, look for NFC or NFC and contactless payments. When you find it, tap to enter. Now you will see the NFC settings screen. At the top, there will be a toggle switch for NFC. Turn this switch on. This step is very important because NFC is the feature that allows your phone to communicate with payment terminals. Once NFC is enabled, your phone can now support Tap to Pay, but you still need to set up your payment app. Below the NFC option, you will see Contactless Payments. Tap on it. This section allows you to choose which app your phone will use when making payments. Inside this menu, you will see a list of available payment apps installed on your phone. Common options include Google Wallet or Samsung Pay. Select the one you want to use as your default payment app. If you have not set up your payment app yet, you will need to do that next. Tap on your chosen app to open it. Inside the app, look for an option like Add Card or Set Up Payment. Tap on it and follow the instructions on screen. You can either scan your debit or credit card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. This includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your card details, your bank may ask you to verify your identity. This usually happens through a text message, email, or your banking app. Enter the verification code when prompted. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your wallet app and ready for use. At this point, NFC and contactless payments are fully enabled on your phone. Once everything is set up, using Tap to Pay is very simple. When you are at a store, first make sure the payment terminal supports contactless payments. Look for the contactless symbol on the machine. When it is time to pay, unlock your phone using your fingerprint, face unlock, or passcode. This step is important because most phones will not allow payments while locked. After that, hold the back of your phone close to the payment terminal. You do not need to tap hard. Just keep it a few centimeters away for a second or two. Wait for a vibration, sound, or on-screen confirmation. This means the payment has been completed successfully. That is how you use Tap to Pay with your phone. Also, since you are now using your phone for payments and everyday tasks, you can also use it to earn a bit of extra income online. There are platforms like FreeCash where you can complete simple tasks, surveys, or app offers directly from your phone and get paid. If you want to try it, you can find the sign-up link in the description. It is free to join and can be a simple way to earn a little extra in your spare time.